Alright guys, so this video I'm gonna show you really quickly how to reset the DCT clutch shifting module. Okay, so the computer needs to be reset every time the bike has transferred ownership. For example, you're riding the bike, your riding preference is gonna be different than your previous owner of the bike. And also when the ECU is replaced, you need to reset the DCT module. And when you replace the door clutch or you service the door clutch, you need to reset the DCT module. This only applies to the DCT dual clutch transmission bikes from Honda. And that includes the CTX700 series of the DCTs and the NC700 series. The newer NC750 is going to be very similar process. The screen is going to be a little different compared to the 700 series, but the reset process is pretty much exactly the same. Okay, so we're going to start, and again, you need to make sure your bike is fully warmed up. So go do a nice, 3, 4, even 5 mile joyride. Come back to your parking lot, turn the engine off, and you're ready to reset and start the bike. So I already just did probably like a 2 mile ride. So I'm back here. The thing you're gonna do is you need to make sure the kill switch is at the on position so your bike can start. You're gonna press the D button while turning the ignition switch. Okay, so press the D button and turn the ignition switch. I'm gonna leave my phone right here. I'm gonna turn on the ignition switch. Now, don't lose the D button. You only release when the check engine light is off. So after about 3 seconds, with the ignition turned on, you can release, okay? Once released, you're gonna go into a special sequence. D, D, N, D, N. Once you do that, D, D, N, D, N, the calibration is gonna start and it's gonna blink every half second. You're gonna start the engine. Once it disappears, the calibration is done. Okay, so wait for it to completely disappear. All right, so it disappeared. You have successfully calibrated your DCT computer. Okay, so it pretty much just reset. And what the reset does is it's gonna start relearning your shifting preference. So every time you shift, like if you ride a lot in the city and you shift quite frequently, stop and go traffic, it's gonna relearn that module. So if you ride on the highway quite a lot, it's gonna learn the shifting points depending on your riding preference. And that's what the reset does, okay? So now you can safely turn off the bike or just go do a ride after the reset. And that's how you reset the DCT and reinitialize the DCT module. It's very easy. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns about how to reset your DCT transmission, feel free to ask me in the comment section down below. Otherwise, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please do hit the like button or subscribe to my channel. And I will have more of the Honda 700 DCT maintenance videos coming out for you guys, particularly for the CTX700. Because I just bought this bike yesterday, and I have a full plan on doing every kind of maintenance on this bike. So do subscribe and keep you updated if you're also thinking about doing the maintenance yourself. All right, so thanks again and see you in the next video. Take care.